Unloading the ramp from a 53-foot van with one forklift. We have to secure it with a chain right there in the back and pull the chains to the back of the trailer. Next, we take the chain and wrap it around the forklift mast. Put some tension on it. Okay, raising up the mast to a point where the ramp will ease up from the floor. Therefore, it will not scratch the floor of the trailer. A little higher? A little higher? There we go. There we go. Okay, pull back. A little higher. There we go. We have 2 blocks prepared here. So we're going to pull the ramp a little further. Go back a little further. Go back. Back. Okay, stop. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is let go of the, unhook this this chain. And to do this, we're gonna have to take this, take the pin out. Okay. Therefore, the chain will go through the loop. Okay, now we're going to unstrap the chain from the forklift. And we're going to raise this ramp and put these blocks underneath it. Okay. So you just want to raise it high enough so you can put a block on each side, preferably. Okay. Now the ramp goes down and rests on the blocks so we can get underneath the bottom part of the ramp. Go in with the forks all the way as much as possible and reattach your chain again. This time the chain goes, just use one chain. We're going to use a cut one here that's shorter, and I'm going to go through the loop and attach it to the mast again so it does not fall. We're going to remove the blocks and pull the ramp out a little more than 3/4 of the way. Be careful of the walls of the trailer, not to damage the trailer. Raise it up and just pull it out. As you see, like this. be very careful. Got to be very careful. There is a valve right there for hydraulics, and you cannot hit it. Okay, so when you're pulling out the ramp, make sure to look at the right side where the valve is. Right there. Now a little more. Stand over there. As you see, the axle is strapped here. Right about here. Yo, little more. Little more. Alright, right about here is where you want to stop. Now we're going to set the ramp down. Again, we put 2 blocks underneath the back of the ramp to make sure that the forklift can get out. Okay, setting up the ramp down, unstrapping the chain. Now we're going to pick up the ramp from the side. Here, this is how the ramp looks like right now. We're going to pick it up right here and have the driver drive away. So if you're using 2 forklifts, you can grab it from both sides. If you're using 1 forklift, you must chain the forklift to the ramp so it does not fall. Okay, chain. This is how it looks like. When you raise the ramp, the wheels must be about 2-3 inches above the trailer before you tell the driver to drive away. So all you're doing now is just chaining the ramp here. So it does not slide from the forks. Raising the ramp. Truck pulls forward. Lower the ramp to the ground. Once the ramp is lowered, you need to untie this chain. Forward. And now you need to change these wheels into landing gear shoes, which are attached to the ramp. The wheels are only there for unloading purposes.